So the next type of proportional and non-proportional relationships are these word problems. So same thing, proportional starts at 0, currently has nothing, or where your B value is 0. Okay, so there's nothing like words that you'll see initial fee. I guess I should put that on the bottom one. So, but non-proportional does not start at 0, y equals mx plus b, where b is anything but 0. So b is some type of value. A lot of times you'll see that b as being called an initial fee or a charge. Okay, so it's something extra. So the first example, we're just going to make an equation out of it, and then we'll decide if it's proportional or non-proportional. So if Courtney won the state lottery and will get paid the entire amount of her winnings in equal monthly installments over 40 years. So we could write it 40x, because she's going to get $40 a month or equal monthly installments for 40 years. Okay, so equal installments. So y equals 40x. So they're not going to give her a flat sum and then $40 or money every 40 years. They're just going to give her the same amount of money for 40 years. So that would be proportional. Example 2, Shirley won the state lottery and will get paid a quarter of her winnings up front, and then get paid the remainder of her winnings in equal monthly installments over 35 years. So that one is kind of the same. Instead of making an equation, because I don't know that these are good for making an equation, but if she gets paid a quarter of it up front and then gets paid in monthly installments, would that be proportional or non-proportional? Why? What makes it non-proportional?
She got paid a quarter of it.
She had an initial fee type. I mean, she was given an initial amount of money, and then it grew and was the same amount every month for 35 years. So that would make it non-proportional. I'm just going to write not NP. Okay, what about Tony's grandfather gives him an $18,000 gift. Tony then gets a job and makes $3,400 per month. Non-proportional, because that would really look like 3,400x plus the $1,800 gift. You can make an equation out of that one. Okay, what about Cindy pays $90 every week for gasoline? Proportional. She's not paying an initial amount up front. She's paying that every single month, so that makes it proportional. There's no extra. Kylie receives a birthday present of $150, then starts a job that pays her $4,100 every month. That is good money. Non-proportional, because it's saying she starts, well, technically she starts with $150, and then she gets a job, and she gets paid that every month. Good for her. She's doing well. And then Brian recently graduated college and makes $5,100 every month at his new job. Is there any extra he's getting paid up front no matter what?
No.
No, it's just $5,100
Technically, would
every
he be
month.
into debt?
Technically, yeah. I'm sure he's losing some money somewhere, but he's making.
Not recording this.
Okay, first example in the back, proportional or non-proportional?
Proportional.
Why? What makes it proportional?
There is no B. There isn't a B.
There's no B. There's no plus something. It's
No Y-intercept.
plus 0 technically. No y-intercept. What about the next one?
Non-proportional.
Non-proportional.
There's a negative
Because
There's a Y-intercept.
it starts, there's a initial fee. There's a y-intercept. And the last example,
B. Proportional.
proportional. Because there is no extra fee, there's no B value, no y-intercept.